In this video, I am going to tell you what I do on a rainy day. So watch and listen. Today, the weather is bad. It is raining outside. And to make things worse, it is really windy. So the rain is going sideways. Horrible. Right now, the time is 8 o'clock. And today, it is Saturday. Woohoo! So, what do I do on a rainy day? I really like to go to the cinema when it is raining outside. I like to go and watch a movie. My favourite kind of movies are comedies. I love comedy movies. I like to laugh when I go to the cinema. So, my favourite are comedies. My least favourite are horror movies. I really do not like horror movies. I don't like to be scared when I go to the cinema. So comedies I love, and horror or scary movies I really do not like. Apart from comedies, I also really like movies by Quentin Tarantino. His movies are both funny, are both really funny, and a little bit scary sometimes. But they are really, really fun to watch. Sometimes when it is raining outside, I prefer to stay at home and watch television. I really like to sit down, relax, and watch television when it is not nice outside. What do I like to watch? I really like watching sports. Sports like football. My favourite footballer or player is by far Lionel Messi. He is the best. I also really like to watch golf. And my favourite golfer is Tiger Woods. If there are no sports on television, or I feel like watching something else, I really like comedies. And my favourite comedy is by far The Simpsons. I think that Homer is the funniest person on television. He is brilliant. Another thing that I really like doing when it is raining outside is shopping. But not shopping like this. No, I like to shop online. I like to turn on my computer and search for t-shirts, and especially shoes. I love to buy new shoes. If I feel like relaxing, I also like to do some yoga when it is raining outside. I love to do yoga to stretch off my neck and my legs and my whole body while listening to the rain. It is super relaxing. If I fancy something more difficult, I like to use an electric bicycle. And while I am doing this, I like to take my earphones and listen to either music or a podcast. Podcasts in other languages, like Spanish, for example. So, when it is raining outside, I really like to either go to the cinema to watch a movie, sit down and turn on the television and watch football, open up my laptop and buy some shoes, do some yoga, or go on the exercise bike and listen to music or podcasts. What do you like to do when it is raining outside? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching and listening, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.